The Dawn Chorus is brought to you by BirdLife South Africa and Guy Gibbon Bird Calls. Today's bird call is the African Reed Warbler. The African Reed Warbler is a breeding migrant to most of South Africa from further north in Africa. Like many warblers, it is small and brown, and these are often referred to as LBJs, little brown jobs. In the field, these can be extremely difficult to separate from other similar-looking warblers. Warbler calls are usually the best form of identification, but even this can be a challenge from the similar-sounding call of the Eurasian reed warbler. The Dawn Chorus was brought to you by BirdLife South Africa and Guy Gibbon Bird Calls. Today's call was the African Reed Warbler.